Hi there, welcome back to another video from Aishwarya's table, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken curry. So let's get started. In a bowl, take 1 kg of chicken and add salt as per your taste, red chilli powder, and lots of ginger garlic paste. We're going to add coriander leaves. Just to let you all know, coriander helps to fight food poisoning, lowers blood sugar, and improves cholesterol level. Okay, so there I've added curd, and I'm going to mix everything well and let it marinate for about half an hour or 1 hour. And we let the chicken rest for some time. Now let's get on with the recipe. We'll add some mustard oil in the pan and let it heat for some time. So I've got whole spices, bay leaves, cumin seeds, cinnamon, cloves, and this is going to go into the oil. We are going to let it sizzle for some time, and then we'll add onion. Okay, always add salt because it helps the onion to caramelize. And don't rush this step, it's going to take around 15 to 20 minutes for the magic to happen. Now let's add ginger garlic paste. And we let the onion cook until it's golden brown. Okay, now we'll add a marinated chicken. And you have to cook the chicken on high flame. Mix the chicken well with the oil and let it change its color. So now we'll add the spices. I'm using 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan, coriander powder, cumin powder and red chilli powder. Mix everything well and add it over the chicken. Okay, now we're going to mix all the yummy goodness together, making sure it gets mixed really nice. We'll add some coriander leaves and cover with the lid and let it cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure the chicken doesn't burn, so keep stirring in between. Okay, now we're going to add tomato puree. I won't add much because it adds that sweetness to the curry. So I've just used like a cup. Now we'll add water. Add it as per the gravy you want. If you want the curry to be thick, just add less water. Okay, at the end we're going to add some coriander leaves. In fact, lots of coriander leaves. Red chili. Oh, it's green chilies. And we're going to add Fenugreek or Kasuri methi. And then we're going to cover the lid and let it cook for around 10 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, look at that. Do you see such a strong and delicious texture? And believe me, you're going to really like this recipe. I've added garam masala at the end. And there you go. Do try this recipe, like and subscribe, and do comment if there's any suggestions. Thank you for watching my video.